good?
Uzi.
This low-key my first ever YouTube video. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. So, not even gonna lie. For like the rest of this little clips right here, I was yapping like a mug. So I'm gonna speed this bit up. So y'all won't have to see if a nigga gonna make this shit. So stay tuned.
What's good? Bro, this my brother. He not really my brother, but I call him my brother. Go ahead and JJX. Tell me what game we playing. And Outlast 5. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Alright, we finna get into this shit. Where? You said where? Where? Shut your bitch ass up.
Wait.
Alright. We got a couple.
How's my audio so low?
We got, oh my god.
Oh
we
my
got, oh my yeah. We starting a YouTube
got what?
channel. Recording it.
I have my headset down like this. Okay, can y'all hear me better, bro?
Yeah, we can.
Real, okay.
Please step into the trial shadow.
Hey, what trial are we doing, bro?
Nigga, listen to the stream.
Oh, Tyree!
Yes.
Tyree, join in on our
Nigga
YouTube
molested
video.
me. Oh wait, get in the shuttle. Come on.
Fix my setting.
YouTube, so like, it's the first ever shit. You feel me? You finna
Actually,
grind it,
second
get
video.
out.
Okay, for
Shut your
uploading
ass
it on
up.
Yeah. Okay.
You were the warden of all your
Because you were,
You're
Choking
on
me to
zero
the universe.
educated.
will. Disconnect the power. Open the doors and let yourself go.
wait, what?
Yes, I do. I get it. Oh,
What the hell?
what the fuck? Oh, hell no. What the? Bro, this shit loud as hell. I can feel it in my ears, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, my God. Nigga, are we on fentanyl? Jeremiah. Oh, bro. What the fuck? What in? Yo, did I get it? What? Oh, I don't. This is when I realized that my Xbox is tripping, so I had to restart it. So don't worry about this. I'm gonna cut this part so I won't look like a dumbass. So yeah. Alright, YouTube. We had some technical difficulties in the first half. So
And we gotta start.
yeah, so we're gonna start part 2 of this shit. And,
We introduce. Wait, hold on. Introduce. We have Jojo Seawall here.
Yo,
Seawall here.
stop playing.
And I think he didn't include his audio. Oh no, he did.
I did.
So
yeah, he did.
yeah, we're gonna start up a new trial and let's get this thing going.
Yeah, we
Tyreek
can get
back?
all 4 of us in here.
Yeah, for real.
Tyreek.
Don't even worry about it. Once we get to all 4, man, it's gonna be good.
The fuck back.
Oh, my phone.
You bless me.
Back up. What's up?
You love the black bully, my nigga.
I bet. No, I got you.
Chill. Watch this. Hold up. I'm finna win. Oh, shoot. Hold up.
Why is it delayed in this?
Exactly.
Watch this, I'm finna win.
What is delayed?
Watch this, I'm finna win. Just lose.
I'm finna win. Oh, shoot.
It's literally delayed.
Yeah.
Count me in,
It's
count me
delayed,
in.
bro. No, it's fucking delayed, bro. No, I'm done, bro. Fuck you.
Give me in here, give me in here. Ain't time.
I'm not even gonna lie, we was yapping even more, so I will sped this up again. So yeah, sorry.
We just gotta see when we get hit with that fucking
Buddy, I
fart
wasn't.
gas.
Alright, come on.
Okay, I'm sitting over here.
You ready to go? Great.
Yeah, and I'm sorry.
Alright, bet, let's go.
Yeah, let's get it going. Let's get it going.
You are loyal. We cannot allow the tyranny of facts and impartial reason to condemn the people who protect and guide you. The past is changeable. The future is set. Sabotage the court. Kill the judge.
Yeah, what is he talking about?
Wait, no idea, my brother.
Well, we gonna find out once we smell this fucking catering gas.
What the?
Yo. What? Wait, no, we're going against this dude. Oh my god, we're going against this dude.
What the heck?
Yeah, we're going against this little taser dude.
Oh, yeah, what am I looking at?
So he's packing 2 inches.
Alright.
Hey, Tyreek's right here. Yeah, he right here. He said you niggas would get started without me.
Bro!
Exactly.
Yo,
that's
if
what
we
I'm saying.
cut this out and restart again, I'm gonna like rage, man. I'm gonna like rage bait. We could do. Oh my god, I never played this one.
Vindicate the guilty courthouse.
Okay. So,
Come on, bro. Oh, dude.
Why'd I got goosebumps?
yeah, I'm starting to get like, it's cold in my house,
Start
real.
shaking, bro. I'm
but
scared.
I'm starting to get scared. Yeah, I ain't even gonna lie. I'm starting to get scared
I
too.
gotta go for rain. Well, adrenaline.
Oh my god.
Come on. Come on.
That's what I was saying.
Yo, 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 yo. Oh my god. Yo! What is this? Oh my.
I don't know that.
Don't close the door on him.
Close the door.
Yo!
And then you just close the door.
Is that even a... That's not even a name, bro. Open the door. Go! He's behind us. We're good.
Yo, why are we starting like this?
I juked him. I'm gone.
Wait.
Fuck, nigga. And I'm healing up.
Starting like this.
Yeah, we straight. Okay, he ran back.
He
Close the door
laughed.
on his ass.
I just,
Come on, bro.
Got me a syringe. We straight. Hey, where are we supposed to go, man?
Why are we starting like this?
go.
That's a crackhead.
Contradict the testimony of an
Yo, why this mannequin looking at me like that, cut?
What's he
Put
doing?
your bitch ass on, nigga.
Yeah.
Nah, okay.
Why did they do it? Bro, what the fuck? Come on, wait, Jojo.
What is this, a rig recharger?
Right there. Click X.
Oh, I got you.
Alright, thank you. I can help you up. Oh, no, I can't.
It's
Where y'all at?
We're over.
come
Come
I'm here,
here.
man.
I got you.
Explore this. I can explore this room. We're good. See, look, I can open this block from this side.
Bro, what happened?
What happened?
Jeremiah, come in.
Are you crying? This nigga's
I
crying.
need help getting it up. Oh my goodness.
Why do I have 2 rig rechargers? Oh my.
Yo, I'm scared as
That voice crack is insane. Can I get the adrenaline thing? Wait, what is this? Which one is it? It's an antidote. I said adrenaline.
Alright.
I'm literally out of stamina. Okay, W. W man.
So how am I gonna get up, chat?
I got you. I got you. Wait, no, you gotta. I think I could open it from this side. I think. I don't know.
I guess I'm stuck.
No, 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 no. Go through that. Jojo. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, maybe we could have
I got
used
you,
the
I
whole
got
time.
Who the fuck?
Wait.
That's the scientist.
Wait,
Dude. What is? Wait, hold on, hold on.
yeah.
What is that noise?
Oh, I got batteries. I got batteries.
You got batteries? You got batteries? You got the Duracell? Oh my!
We should grab
No,
that.
no, no, no. What is that? Open the door! No, please chill. No, he's coming to me. He's coming to me. He looks good. Jojo, we might need to like. Wait, can he crawl in here? Yeah, bitch ass nigga can't even crawl under here. No, he can't. Wait, we're good. We're good.
Oh, there's a crossfire.
Yo, he can't grab it.
Wait, I forgot it's still dark. Oh my. Just ran across my screen. I'm confused. Oh my god, close the door. Oh my god, go. Oh my god.
Oh, hey, man.
What are we even supposed to do? We're in the fucking library.
Reach the courtroom. I'm going.
I need to drop some. How you drop stuff, guys?
I know you're still.
Where? I'm out of stamina.
You can't crawl under it.
Oh my god, he's running. Where y'all at?
You're supposed to say no, okay?
I'm good.
Oh my god. Oh no, I'm gone. Wait, what the? Yo, I need an antidote. Take this up.
I got an antidote.
I took it.
Yeah.
I got another one. I found another one.
Pick you up.
Wait, guys.
Where?
We can't.
What's up?
How? Oh shoot, how'd I get over there?
Oh, I'm dumb. We are so dumb. We ran past this how many times? Okay, come on.
Hold up.
Over there.
I'm right here.
I'm exploring over here. All players required.
Alright, I'm right here.
Okay, so we need to press this button. Wait, we need to press.
I ain't gonna lie, I was recording on my phone, so I'm recording this at like 3 o'clock in the morning, so cut me some slack. I'm kind of tired right now. This is, yeah, I had to fucking, this thing pop up, and so it's gonna be a block in the gameplay for like, I wanna say 40 seconds, 20 seconds, 10 seconds, something like that. So, I'm gonna just speed it up for y'all, so y'all won't have to just sit through this. Alright, stay tuned.
Closing the door, bro.
Yeah, we're good. Dude, no, move, nigga. It's right behind me, yo.
Get in,
Oh, okay.
At least I'm not trailed. This control closes the door.
Hiding
bro.
spot occupied.
Every
Are you
time.
hiding in the locker right now? I need some batteries like bad. Who got a battery?
There's a bat. Oh,
Oh, I'm finna get a brick.
It was
I got a brick.
in that room over there.
There's where?
over there.
Oh, I see it. You trying to open the door? I threw a brick at him. He fell. I'm grabbing him.
Let's jump. Man.
Oh, weave? Got your dumb ass nigga. Okay, I would have to take it off. Am I dumb? Why did I?
Yeah.
Give me that battery. Use it, hurry up. Yeah, battery in it. Use it. Okay, which way you going? Weave? Got your dumb ass nigga. Got your ankles broken. No Corey Kinch. I hide? Nah. Okay,
Wait, didn't we already gather ass to put in the fountain? Oh, did we each do it? Alright. I do one. What the heck was that electricity?
Okay, what else do we need to do?
They're like,
We need to get more acid, bro.
Hey, what are you talking about? Oh, she's right here.
Who's she? I got medicine over there.
Oh, shit.
Yo, he's
Oh
right
my,
here.
the laser dude's on me. Help! Yo! Oh my god. I'm going. Wait, I'm cornered.
It's chasing me.
Y'all got it.
Hold on.
I'm out of stamina. What the fuck?
I'm
You just
not
crawling in the
looking at.
locker? I'm going upstairs, y'all. Is he still chasing me?
I got the acid.
Okay, we're good. I'm healing shit. You grab that. Somebody try something stupid, it's over.
So scared. You can sit right there.
Huh? Can't destroy what?
You know, I need a battery.
You need a battery? I think I... Nah, I ain't seen none.
I got the acid.
You got the acid? I'm confused, bro. I know I'm dead ass don't know to, like, know where to go. I got me a syringe again. Oh, I got 2 of them.
No,
Yo, I ain't... Hey, let's group up, bro. That laser nigga was chasing me, I ain't even gonna lie. Pick that up. I'm gone.
Nigga, give me it.
Run with it.
That's what I like.
Oh my fucking god.
I'm gonna spill it. Nah, I'm playing. Alright, come on, let's go. Oh, I can't run.
Don't exactly. You just wasted all me.
Where the fountain at? I'll lead the way.
Why are you running?
He, oh my god. I'm throwing it at him. Oh, I threw a bottle. That didn't do nothing. What was the point of the bottle, yo? Oh, hell! I'm getting jumped. I'm going. Ah! This guy hitting my back. I'm going. Y'all good. How do you slide?
Hold
Nigga, you can't. You need a person.
You know what? A perk. Oh, he caught me lagging off. I'm about to die.
I got a bottle.
I'm going. I'm half heart. Well, no, I'm really like 1 HP. True. Weave. I need some medicine.
It's just sitting there. It's talking shit, so the mic's chasing me. It's chasing me. Never mind.
Y'all seen some medicine, bro?
I just got the rest of ours.
Ow!
Wait, left side. Come on.
Oh, what? I'm dead.
I'm going. Nigga, do you want to heal or not?
Oh, wait,
I'm
okay.
dead. I have one heart left.
You can't?
One heart. He's chasing me. One heart.
I think we all have 1 heart. I'm worried. I'm sure. Open this door, cut. Gotta bash this door over. Hey. Okay. Well, we never been in this room. Oh my god, this dude's after me now. Guys, can I hide? Oh, we're good.
Nigga, we need to find some more.
Find some. Wait, how many acid do we need?
Find the freaking medicine, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking for some right now.
And the battery.
Rig has been deactivated.
Oh, no. I just need some. And I don't want to. Oh. Help. Okay. For real, because I was like mashed up on my life.
Help with this.
I got you.
Yeah, I got you. No,
What the heck?
wait, watch out. He's behind us.
I'm dead.
Go.
I'm dead.
Wait, you're dead? You with the syringe. I got the syringe.
I see the hole. I can see it.
There's no way out of this one.
I got you. I got you. Don't leave him over here.
Nothing but the truth will help you.
876.
No, I got her.
What's the code for what? Okay, 6. 3.
Here's the second number.
3, 6.
3.
Up there, right there. Up there. I'm a pin.
Not insubstantiated.
Okay, 3, 6.
Listen, it's 3, 6, 8, 7.
You think 3, 6, 8, 7?
Yes, remember taking 3, 6, 8, 7.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
About 3, 6, 8, 7.
3, 6, 8, 7. It's right. We're good.
Alright, I know it.
What is this? Another clue?
I need a battery. I'm literally out.
Yeah.
I need a battery.
Oh, we got light. We're good. Take it off. Take it off. Oh, now we do.
Alright, and this on trail pop.
Oh my god. Why is this so heavy? Why is this nigga head so heavy? About to die. I got you. Wait for him to pass by. Wait for him to pass by. I'm gonna hit you. Wait, I got a syringe. Good. I know, I got a syringe. Like, wait for him to pass by. Trust.
How do I say goodbye to what we had?
Let's just stay there.
Fuck this dude. Oh my god. And I have the syringe. So if he finishes me, my stuff drops. He's not. Hey, Jojo, throw something. Kick him. Go. Okay. Let him distract. Go. Okay, run.
Hey, I don't know. Yeah, I'm dead.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, I'm dead.
You'll die just like it.
Well, so we all got an F probably.
Yes.
We're all hanged right now, my nigga. That's embarrassing.
We're all hanging. Okay.
So, try again?
Well, so we're
gonna have the full 4 this time. Tariq invited us.
Tariq? Oh, let me unmute
We're
him.
gonna have the full 4.
Alright, sorry, fella. Alright. Unmuted your ear button. That's what I'm muting.
Oh, let me unmute him.
We're gonna try again in the next video. Hopefully you guys love this episode, the first episode, you know. I got to the second episode probably tomorrow. And yeah. And y'all have a good day. Yeah, for sure.
What are they doing in the video?
Like and subscribe.